Hi, my name is Everald, and in this video, okay, I'm going to invite you to a call. All right, I'm just trying to invite you to a call. There's this awesome lady known as Tammy Montgomery. Okay, she's going to reveal how she's been able to make $28,000. All right, in 2 months. Okay, in 2 months, doing something very simple. All right, if you can actually copy and paste, you'll be able to do this business. This is not MLM. It's nothing you've seen before. And the most important part and the most interesting thing about this business that she's about, what she's doing is that you get to get paid $250. Okay, each time someone joins your business, you can get an instant payment of $250. Okay, but the thing is not just about the business. It's a high ticket offer actually, because you can get paid anywhere from $250 to $5,000. All right, but it's not about the business. It's not just the business. Okay, it's about how Tammy, how she's able to make that much. So what she's been doing exactly, how she uses Craigslist. Okay, there is this method she teaches in the back office of the Fearless Mama. Okay, the program is known as the Fearless Mama. So there is this particular strategy that I so much love. It's Craigslist strategy. Craigslist. All right, I'm not really sure. Craigslist. I hope you know what Craigslist is. Okay, so that's how she basically, that's one of the training anyway. That's not like the only thing she does, because she uses solo ads. She uses Craigslist. She does Facebook marketing, Facebook lives. Okay, but the Craigslist strategy works because instead of promoting your link, okay, you promote your phone number. Okay, and it's easier to promote a phone number than to promote your link. Now, I won't want to waste your time. Okay, why I wanted to shoot this video is because I want to give you access. Okay, you that is watching, I want to give you access to a program that I use. Okay, to promote my business. All right, you can use it for your business or for whatever it is you're doing online. But basically, before you could get access, you need to attend this call. All right, it's a Zoom call, and once you attend this call, I will know and connect with me on Facebook or Messenger and tell me that you attended the call, that you want your bonus, you want your bonus. Okay, I will not give you access to this marketing system. I'll show you the back office right now in a minute, so that you can see what it is I'm going to give you. All right, I'll show you the work to you. I'll show you to you in action how you can literally generate leads for your business. Okay, it doesn't really matter. You don't have to join our program. But I want to just give you this for spending your time with us. All right. So, like I said, before you get access to the software, you need to attend this call and let me know through Messenger that you attended the call, that you now would like for me to give you access to this lead generation software. Okay, so let me go ahead and share my screen so I can show you the lead generation software and you see it in action so you will understand. Okay, so right now I'm just going to minimize this. Okay, so here is the software tool. All right, as you can see here, like I said earlier, we've taken everything down to copy and paste. Okay, there we showed you how to go about it if you are just starting out. Okay, how to get 3 to 5 leads every day. Okay, we basically give you what to share. Like we give you a 5 day blitz, like here right now. We'll tell you what to do in the next 5 days. Basically, you have to copy and paste these messages that is right here. Okay, these messages are performing highly right now. Once you register, your primary business will be inserted into this place. Okay, and then we can message these people for you. Okay, it costs $15, just $15. But when you attend this live call, I'll give you access to this for free. Now, let me show you the most intriguing part. This place where it says find people. This is how you can generate leads and find people in your network. Okay, you can find professionals, you can find people by professionals, or you can find people by network. Okay, let's say for example, let me pick a network name, company name, Emerald Passports Forever Green. All right, United First Financial. I know this one. Okay, let's say we are looking for a phone number where it says call me. All right, let's just pick a random area code. Let's use Arizona 520. Now, what as this does this magic? Now you see all these. These are search results. These are things I could. Let me go ahead and click on the Google search. And now let me show you what I will do. Let me just demonstrate how this software works right in front of you. Okay, right here I copy everything. Okay, I copy everything. I go back to the software and paste it in this window. As I pasted the watch, as it would give me numbers and email addresses. Okay, so right here I have straight phone numbers. Okay, these numbers I can just go ahead and message them. Yeah, this is a cold lead. All right, you don't need to tell me that, but the thing is, the SMS that we use, they work. They do work, all right, because I do use it also, and I get replies from people that are interested as well. Okay, so basically, this is all you need to do. Okay, this is the phone numbers. Let me see if there is any emails around. There was no email. Okay, so you do this like 10 or 15 times in a day, and you have yourself 100 leads. Okay, you can go ahead and message these people. Okay, but when you get in here, this is the follow-up message you could send to your lead as well. Okay, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are a more in-depth way to use this, and I will tell you all about it when you get access to it. I just wanted to tell you what you'll be getting to show it to you firsthand so you can see for yourself. Here is the ask and tell. Okay, this one right here is priceless. You can basically ask the support whatever you want. Okay, you can just click on start recording and you basically tell them, ask them a question regarding your business, how to use this software to grow your primary business basically. So you could just this is not for support. Okay, you can use this area to contact support, but if you need guidance, if you need coaching or training as far as SMS lead generation is concerned, okay, you can come here and ask questions with this thing and get your answers within the minutes. Okay, this one right here is also why I love this software so much. Okay, so apart from what you're going to learn from the call, okay, apart from what I'm going to give you access to, listen, what you're going to learn on Saturday, what you're going to learn on this call is mind blowing. I'm serious. Okay, so that's why I'm going to learn to make sure that I make it a no-brainer for you to be there. Okay, I'll give you access to this tool for $15. Okay, you don't have to pay anything. Once you attend the live call and tell me that you've attended the live call, I will give you access to this software for free. Now, I want to show you the back office of the Fearless Mama. The actual program, this old lady, she's basically 50 years old. Okay, and if she can do this, you can do it as well. Okay, if she can do this, you can do it as well. Let me go ahead and show you the back office. So, this is the Craigslist strategy I mentioned earlier. Okay, you see right here, this Craigslist strategy, it works a lot. It works so well. It's not so long. It's about 17 minutes. All right, you can go through it. And what she said is basically how to promote your mobile number instead of your link, as you usually do. Instead of promoting your URL, you can basically use this training and learn how to promote your phone number using Craigslist. For just a $5 ads on Craigslist, you can basically generate from 20 to 50 leads every single day. Okay, and it works. Okay, that's the most interesting part. It works. And then there's the mastermind, there's the bonuses. Okay, and you can even schedule a live call, a live one-on-one coaching. All right, with your mentor. Most times when people join these network marketing companies, what happens is that they get sidetracked. Okay, their mentor, it's not like they don't want to help, but the thing is they are very busy working their own business. With the Fearless Mama program, not only do you get an instant payment of $250 up to $5,000, but you also get paid. When someone above you upgrades, you get 20% commission. Okay, so that's there is more to it, but when you come to the live call, you get to know all of this plus more information. Okay, I just want to make sure that I tell you everything, so this doesn't sound like a new thing to you when you're on the call. I'm really sure that when you attend this call, that your life is going to change. Okay, my name is Several Vincent, and I want to give you this marketing system for free when you attend this live call. Normally, we pay $15, but I want to give it to you for free. Okay, so I hope I've made myself clear in this video. I didn't want this video to be this long, but it's already long enough. So there is a link above. Okay, just make sure you click the link to subscribe. You need to subscribe so I can be able to notify you when the call is going live. You don't want to miss this. Okay, just 30 to 45 minutes of your time. All right, that's all it will take. I need you to click that link. Make sure you click on that link so you get notified when the call is on. Basically, this software right here, this software I'm about to give you, it costs more than $15. Okay, but don't worry about what it costs. I'm going to give it to you for free, just for attending this live call. All right, I hope to see you there, and I'll see you there. Okay, bye bye.